Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to utilize the black noise effect on CapCut. So initially what you're going to want to do is go up to Media, click and drag your clip to the timeline. Once you have it there, we're going to go up to Effects, Video Effects, Retro, and then scroll down to find the black noise effect. Click and drag it down to the timeline. And now what we're going to do is bring it to the beginning of the clip, elongate it to fit the entirety of the clip. And now we're going to go up to the special effects tab and we can mess with the speed of the effect. I'm going to go maximum speed because we're trying to get that cray cray going on. So let's check out the effect. Love that. I think this effect would do wonders with a black and white type of, atmosphere. Like this, there's a lot of colors going on, the blue sky, the white clouds, my sister's blue shirt, my sister's blonde hair, and the green grass with the green trees. If you can, add a black and white filter to it and then add this, I think it would do wonders. Well, guys, thanks for watching. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.